Underwear's up my butt. Yeah. It's our bad boy. They change plates. Looks like they changed plates. There's some old plates in the back. Oh, there we go. I ain't getting a key this time. I couldn't check them out. Oh. Hello. It's got a steering wheel lock on it. Oh, bring it this way a little more. I gotta push it in. I gotta push it in. Okay. This thing's being stupid again. Okay. What the frickin' hell? It's in. Okay.
Scared the shit out of me.
I know, I was like, how heavy is this thing? Doesn't even look like it's been moved for a little bit.
That's what I was thinking.
Tree branches under there. Okay. Wonder if the door's unlocked. No. So then I gotta do that now too. I got dirt blowing in my mouth. Ah. And I'm out of water. Okay. Oh, that's way down there. At least the tires aren't turned. Ooh. Okay. Somebody just peeked out the door too. You can't wait, motherfuckers. You're gonna get hit, dumbass. It's moving a little. I wish they would come out and give us a damn key. Other way. There you go, dude. Transformers. Later, dude. How far are we from them? Somebody peeked out the door and then shut the door.
Do they want to go to Bel Air or do they want it to go to Pasadena?
Let me ask them.
I don't think the steering wheel's going to move, but I still want to
keep an eye on it.
briefly get to a better place.
Yeah. Find discount titles. Let me call them.
I'm pretty sure that thing's dead because the mirrors were pushed in too.
Let me call Raphael.